Hi, my name is Wenjuan Li. Today I'm going to talk about my ECE 3003 assessment 2 portfolio. And the center I'm working is a sister center with my working place. And we use the planning system pretty much the same. We all use the story park to do planning, to record children's everyday activities, and also upload all the routines for children. And we also communicate with families and with educators through a story park. My mentor doing planning followed planning cycle of observe, analyze, plan, implement, and evaluate to ensure the learning experience meet every child's development and well-being needs. In the room, there is a board for my mentor to put his planning on that. This one is a curriculum intention plans. This is for 3 months plan, so it's based on children's learning development needs and also parents and educators goal. This plan is a weekly plan, so my mentor will every week he will do this again. This based on children's development and observations, and also he will ask children in the room which activity they would like to do in the following week. My mentor will use 2 templates for individual and a group learning record. This template is for individual learning record. It's like an observation. It's like we will put every children we will have at least 1 learning story in the month to analyze and reflect on children's learning. And here, this one is a template for daily journal for the group one. Like we will record all the children in the room for the activity, what we do in the room, and what we are learning, expectation for the room, and how children performed. And in the room, we also have a floor book, and which have photos and also children's idea of the activity we do. Parents can see and also leave message for on the floor book. And also like during the day pick up and drop off time, my mentor will communicate with parents about their children's learning. If anything interesting or anything we concerned, we will communicate with the parents. I'm going to talk about my planning cycle, which I'm going to do a story reading. I choose the book called Somewhere in Australia. The reason why I'm choosing this book is because this week is a NIDOC week, and in the room I'm doing my placement. We're doing a lot of activity about indigenous and how a boy is so curious about what indigenous animal is. So this book is about Australian animals, indigenous animals. So, and this will help and I will have all children in the room, and we will have it in the group time. This will help children to know more about Australian animals, and also they will know where the animals live in, and they can also connect with their daily experience. Maybe they see animals somewhere outside or in the zoo. We can share our idea, and I will encourage children to talk about in like way they see and how they think the animal is, and also encourage children to ask open-ended question and I will also use a question to help children to explore and learning about the indigenous animals.